Alif, the first letter, the leader, so it stands straight. Its name is Alif and it is pronounced like man. It is written from up to down and then put Hamza. The first family of the letters has the same shape, like a plate, but we distinguish them by points. It is written in a small line from top right to down, then one on the line, and then goes up in small line. The first letter with the lower point is ba, and its sound is ba, like back. The second letter is ta, and it sounds like ta, like table. The third letter with the higher three dots is tha, and its sound is tha, like thin. The second family has the same shape also, and in general, all similar shapes can be distinguished by points. It is written in a small line from left to right, then half circle down. The first is Jim, and its sound is Ja, like January. The second is Ha. It doesn't have a similar voice in English, but it could be close to thick sound like harbor. The third is Ha. It doesn't have a similar voice in English too, but it could be close to the diphthong like the Arabic name Khalid. This family is written in a small line from top right to down, then a small line on the main line. The first is Dal, and sound Da, like draft. The second is Zal, as like in that, the. This family is written in a half circle from top right to down. The first is Ra, like R in run. The second is Zal, like Za in zoo. This family is written as like two small plates on the line joined with a half circle. The first is Sin, and it sounds like S in city. The second is Sheen, and sound like the diphthong sh in ship. This family is written as half a small dash from the left on the line and then close with linking it with half a circle. The first is Sad and sounded like S in sad, but in a thick and heavy way. The second is a special letter for Arabic. No other language has the same. It is called Dad, like Da in disk, but heavy and thick. This family is written as a half a small dish from the left on the line, then close it with the line and put a stick on the dish. The first is Ta, and sounded like T in talent, but in a heavy and thick way. The second is Va, sounded like this in Kuludis, but put out your tongue as in the. This family is a half a small circle on the line joined with a big half circle under the line. The first letter is Ain and sounds like Ain. The second letter is Ghain and sounded like the diphthong GH, Gha, in the Arabic name Ghada, Gha. This letter is written as a small circle on the line, then go on the line for a little, then go up with a small line, then put a dot on the circle. It is called Fa, like in Fa, flat. This is written like a small circle with higher two dots on the line, then joined with a half circle. It is called Qaf, like Qa in kilo, but heavy and thick. but this is written as a stick from up to down, then go on the line for a little, then go up with a small stick and put Hamza. It is like K in book. This is written as a stick from up to down with a round line which goes up for a little on the main line. It is called the lam, sounded like L in lig. It is written as a small circle on the line, then a small stick down goes on the line. It is called meme, sounded like M in mother. This is written like a deep dish with a dot inside it. It is sounded like in night. This is written as a circle with a small line ending. It is called ha and pronounced like H in hello. This is written as a small circle joined with a semicircle. It is called wow and sounded like W in wood. This is the last is written like as a half small open circle that joined with a half circle. It is called ya and like Y in yard.